Hey guys, Lucas here at Venture Surplus, and today we're going to go over a USMC M67 frag grenade pouch. So this is a standard grenade pouch you're going to find in the Marine Corps FSBE kits. So it's pretty much their rifleman's kit they're going to issue out to guys that need that stuff. These are pretty cool. It's very similar to what you're going to find with the Eagle Industries grenade pouch. I think it's actually made by Eagle Industries. Yep, it is. So designed by them, made by them, all that. So it's good to go, good quality. It's got an upside down buckle, means that's going to flop out of your way so it's not dangling up here. Other than this female end, and then a little hook and loop flap as well, or patch right here. A little extra retention, extra security, which is always good with a grenade. 2 MOLLE straps, small footprint. It's going to go anywhere on your kit. Like any other grenade pouch, most of us aren't carrying grenades out around there, but it's good for compasses, small GPSs, and small items you need to store in your kit, but really can't find a pouch for. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check us out on venturesurplus.com. We have a wide selection of authentic USGI gear that's always rotating. Subscribe here, leave a comment and like, and then check out our email list as well so you can find out the newest gear.